Are you looking for the best adjustable laptop stand? In this video we will look at some of the best adjustable laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MC515 Laptop Stand. MC515 Adjustable Foldable Laptop Tablet Stand Aluminium Alloy Desktop PC Notebook Lifting Heightening Cooling Bracket Holder Feature. Raise the height of the laptop to attain the most comfortable viewing position and prevent shoulder and waist pain. High quality aluminium alloy material. Strong carrying capacity, not easy to rust, and durable. The non-slip silicone pad design allows you to place the laptop stably to avoid accidental shaking and sliding. The screen is flush with the line of sight, and the tilt angle minimizes neck and shoulder fatigue. A good sitting posture on your workstation means your body is relaxed. The height and angle adjustment accord with the ergonomic design. Adjust the posture. The correct posture can relieve the pain of the shoulder and waist, and watch, read and type comfortably. The aluminium has a heat absorption function, which helps to naturally reduce the temperature of the notebook computer. The hollow design provides more space for airflow and keeps your equipment cool. Provide practical design for your life, suitable for all laptops, PCs, notebooks, up to 17 inches. Number 2. Metal Holder Aluminium Laptop Stand. The laptop stand for desk is compatible with all laptops from 10 inches up to 17.3 inches, such as MacBook Pro 16 14-inch 2021 Air 12 13 15-inch 2018. 2019 2020 Microsoft Surface Google Pixelbook Dell XPS HP Acer Chromebook and more 11-inch, 17.3-inch laptop notebooks. Christmas gifts, Thanksgiving present, regalos de Navidad. The laptop riser can be easily adjusted to comfortable height and angle based on your actual need. Besides, you also can fold the laptop stand up to carry around for travel and business trips or store it in your laptop bag. Made of high-quality aluminium alloy, the larger, heavier base greatly improves the stability of the notebook stand. The laptop stand will never shaking, sliding and falling when you type on your laptop with this notebook holder. The MacBook Air Pro stand holder works as a razor to elevate the laptop screen to your eye level. The office computer stand lets you fix posture and relieves neck, shoulder and spinal pain. It's very comfortable for working at home, office and outdoor, make typing more easier. Number 3. Selling Laptop Vertical Stand. The laptop stand elevates the laptop screen to 8-inch to eye level and helps fix your posture and reduce neck pain, back pain and eye strain, creating extra space and help to work more ergonomically. It's very comfortable for working at home, office and outdoor, making typing more easier. No assembly required. Foldable laptop holder to save space for easy storage and handle for easy carrying. This portable laptop stand works in a variety for setting including office, meeting room, library, kitchen, and at home to hold the laptops, projectors, menu, tablets, music scores, magazines etc. A practical gift for your friends and family. The laptop computer stand is made of thicker 6mm aluminium alloy, and supports up to 11 pounds 5 kilograms weight. 12 slide-proof silicone pads keep the stand from sliding, and to be more stable, 30mm protective double hooks ensure your computer does not slide off the stand, offering maximum protection for your device from any scratches and sliding. Premium aluminium alloy material acts as thermal pads to help keep your laptop cool. The forward tilt angle and open design offers great ventilation and airflow to prevent your notebook from overheating. Number 4. MCHOSE LS928 Laptop Stand. The upgrade generation of support using a new H-type DSI structure, compared to the old double rod support, not only rise high, and stand stable, made of aluminium alloy, sturdy enough to hold up to 22 pounds 10 kilograms, of weight. This laptop desk stand can rotate on its centered round base, allowing the top half of the stand to rotate infinitely in either direction. This gives you plenty of flexibility in terms of working position. It will be especially useful for group projects or meetings, easy to share your screen with friends and colleagues. There are rectangle-shaped cutouts at the top of laptop platform. These cutouts are designed to provide improved airflow to keep your notebook from overheating. The laptop riser also well padded, with additional rubber bumpers around the outside of the laptop platform. Designed with adjustable in height and angle, ergonomic design better protect your health. This laptop stand for desk is well compatible with all laptops from 10 to 17.3 inch. Compatible with MacBook 12-inch/13 inch, MacBook Air 13 inch, MacBook Pro 13 inch, 15 inch, 2020/2019/2018/2017/2016, Microsoft Surface, ThinkPad, Dell, HP, Chromebook, and other notebooks. Number 5. N86 Laptop Stand. Laptop stand for desk, 360 degrees rotatable, 2-axis connecting with the base, makes the rotation more flexible, allows you to swivel your laptop to any angle. It is very suitable for sharing content in meetings or communication. This foldable laptop stand could be adjustable in height and angle of your laptop, raising your laptop screen height flexibly from 1.18 inches to 21 inches, for your better ergonomics to minimize neck fatigue. Say goodbye to neck pains. The office computer stand is made of high-quality thickened aluminium, and the larger turntable base can support 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, which are more stable and sturdier without worrying about any wobbling at all. The rubber on the holder hand is firmly stuck to protect your laptop from scratching and sliding off. The laptop riser rotary plate adopts an open hollow design which can enhance the air circulation to achieve the best heat dissipation effect. Solve the concern of the weakened heat dissipation performance due to your long playing use of computer.